Emeremo b'enyagitari ya Hema yegotoka imyemo cy'obosongo nigo bayimurunganire igoro yogotakanwa eng'ere yabo asegeka ky'EMETIENYI kyanda abo asebayanekire buna nigo babeire bakoyaitera amange ase chinga cyabo nigo baruro kuboria gokia asoboteneri bw'enyagitari eyo kwayeneke buna nko bakana bale kibesa cyabo gose bagende asomogiro nonye nabo nigo Dr. Robert Manduku oyore mu managing Director w'enyagitari eyo abasabira abakori Emeremo aboko babatoereru ekyagera mbagendete n'ekingwana na sha elyo bakanu kibesa cyetane ti million emyemo elyo babakane abakori Emeremo babo.
Regarding the payments of our staff for the past allegedly 9 months, but it is better to be also put into perspective that the 9 months, they actually include 4 months of 2024 and 5 months of 2025. The 4 months of 2024, this was actually due to the transition of NHIF to SHA. NHIF as it is owes us quite a bit of money for the past, I think, 2 years or so. Cumulatively, SHA has also held most of our money. The last time that we got payment as Hema Hospital is about 3 months ago. Since then, we have not received a single cent. So, cumulatively, we are owed about 100 million Kenyan shillings. The staff salary in arrears could be about 20 million. So, I mean, that just explains that indeed it is not us who are the problem. It is the people who are supposed to pay us, mainly being SHA and the pending bills from NHIF. So that ideally is what the problem is. And it is not just our staff. We owe a lot of people money. We owe so many creditors. We owe our suppliers. We owe our doctors. We have consultants who have been working with us for a very long time. We owe them. But this is mainly because SHA for us, as much as we are saying that it is working, SHA for us is just not working.
On how to settle the 9 months. 9 months, it's a lot. Right now, our colleagues have agreed and said that at least 5 months and then we can resume to work. But 9 months without a clear picture, without a clear structure on how we are going to be paid, we are in dilemma because every time we are being told that when we will be paid from the areas that they get their money from, maybe that is SHA and other insurances, that is the time they are going to pay us. But that one, it's an open statement. We want a specific time so that we can go back to work. We are willing to work. Our patients, they are waiting for us. And I think that is all. That is all from us, that we want management to address this thing.
And we feel that our rights have been violated as per our constitution, yes, being the private entity, but we feel we have reached to an extent of we can't fathom anymore. Our relatives are dying. Some of us, we have been left because we can't handle. We are asking, we have been told that SHA is not paying. Our concern is it only SHA that doesn't pay to Hema Hospital, or it's country for the last 9 months? And if that's the case, CS Duale, please do something. At least we save our families. We are ready to die for our families to survive.
Pesa ya kutosha. Tunaamka asubuhi, tunakuja hapa kufanya kazi. Tumekaa like now it's 9.5, almost 10 months, hatujapata our salary. Tumejaribu kuitwa meeting, tukiulizia mbona hatupewi pesa, mara wanasema ni SHA haijalipa, mara ni nini, sasa tunashangaa.